Michigan lawmakers need to find a new line of work, right? Just look at the roads. That is the face of their abilities over the last 25 to 30 years, which is how long the roads have been being neglected. They've been taking our money. They have taken trillions of dollars that were supposed to be allocated for the roads, and they pillaged those funds and used them for something else. They refuse to acknowledge that we already give them billions of dollars for the roads. They refuse to stop spending our money that we give them, that they are extorting from us, taking it and applying it to something else, which is fraudulent. They refuse to apply that money to what it's supposed to be applied to, the roads. They need to be fired. You need to find new lines of work. Imagine if God decides to hit you for how you're exploiting and extorting his end time elect in your state. That's $900,000 per penny. If you're accruing a debt, you're going to die in debt to this mechanism, then you'll be time looped as slaves to pay it back. $900,000 per penny. And your bloodline gets eternally executed because you don't exist. So there you go. You spawn some kids that don't get to exist because you were greedy, because you were a terrorist, you were a treasonous traitor like Snyder, who would get elected as governor, and then you don't even protect the elderly and the college kids from that monster. This evil little bug who had something to prove. So he gets in office and right away runs with his bag out, raping and pillaging. Yes, illegally taxing the elderly's pensions, which the taxes for that earned money has already been paid. It's illegal to take their money from their pensions, to tax their pensions. White devil. It's illegal what you're doing to them. What you did to them college kids, taking that money that was federally allocated for them, that's illegal what you did. Okay, and then you have $1 billion surplus, a bag of stolen money, and you don't apply it to the roads. What did you do with it, huh? White devils? Yeah, now you want more money? The roads can't get fixed unless more money comes from somewhere? No, fool. You do what you're supposed to do. Your goddamn job. You find where that money is going to and you stop it now. You take that money that's supposed to go for the roads and you apply it for the roads. You fix the roads, white devils. Yeah, because if you don't, you may have to pay the consequences from the spiritual realm, because God's tired of watching you rape and pillage. You're done, terrorists. Go find a real job. Work with your own two hands like God ordered you to do on this planet, and be happy with what you can get with your own two hands. Sweat with your brow. Work like the rest of us. Yeah, and stop thinking that you can get away with raping and pillaging the average American, because those days are over with. You didn't protect your state from Obamacare. You didn't protect them from the terrorist attacks before that, from the administration before that, which was the tax breaks for the wealthiest percentile. You didn't protect your people. You are not protectors. You do not protect and serve. You have been elected. You have jobs to see to the best interests of the taxpayers who put you in your positions. You don't want to do that, bitch? Get to stepping. Get down the road, bitch, now. Because somebody needs to find you and rape you like you've been raping the people. Maybe that's what's going to happen to you in the spiritual realm. Yeah, maybe that's going to happen to you when you die. Maybe you'll get time looped as slaves, and maybe you'll get raped by your master. Yeah, and it's what you deserve, ain't it, white devil? You want everything you see. You think you got power? You can't control your own impulses. Look at what you do when you get into office. Legislator, lawmaker, representative. It's like you're a bunch of freaks. Senator. Yeah, you loser fucks steal money, and then you wanna fucking, it's like, how can Levin show his face in public? He should be red-faced, like he got sucking a dog's dick till he was trying to get cum drunk with a cucumber up in his ass all covered with shit. That's how he should fucking be, red-faced. Too red-faced to show his face. You wanna bring the roads into the picture? The roads are your fucking resume. Your resume as Governor Snyder, as Governor Blanchard, as Governor fucking Engler. Your resume is the roads. Because the governor before that, not Blanchard, who was that freak? Granholm. I'm sorry, Blanchard was a good governor. Let me correct that. Governor Blanchard, the roads were still good when his administration was in there. But boy, you let Engler's fat ass waddle up in there with his lies. Oh, I'll take my Oldsmobile. Sure you will, motherfucker. We still waiting to see that, right? Yeah, you raped motherfuckers. You didn't protect your state from closing down the facilities for God's end-time elect who are mentally ill, and now they're in prisons getting raped and shit. Wait till you get time looped this down, fat boy Engler, and wait till everybody who signed on to your regime after that who didn't fix that, they get raped in the time loops. They're already gonna be with you, paying back the mechanism. You will pay for what you do. You will pay. You reap what you sow, motherfucker. Now you're here in a simulation as a premonition of what you could be, and you're proving that you are not valuable. You are not a viable for a spirit. You know, you are not beneficial. In the real earth, you can't be here. You understand that, bitch? Yeah. So why don't you get a job? Stop raping and pillaging. Why don't you grow some shame? Why don't you learn to blush when you should blush? Because you don't even know when to blush. It's like you should be ashamed of yourselves. Talking about there ain't no money to fix the roads. You should be ashamed of yourself that the roads got this bad. You should be ashamed. Snyder should be ashamed. Everybody who voted for his little terrorist ass should be ashamed. Everybody who wanted to pass Proposal 1 should be ashamed. Everybody in Michigan government who did not fight tooth and nail against Proposal 1 should be ashamed. You little monstrous terrorist bitches. You are some freaks. Yeah, this message is brought to you by Michigan's Secretary of State, who are constantly raping me with every moment that passes with an illegal, ongoing, further revocation of my driver's license based on the incompetence of hearing officer Ojabina, who could not accept scientific fact that I had a clean urine and I was being abstinent over the cartoonish diagnosis and report of a molested-minded rapist, Chris Seeger of Catholic Services, who wanted to jam me up. So these two bull dykes have put everything that I bring to you as it's coming from the Secretary of State. Because I wouldn't be doing these videos right now. I wouldn't be fighting your corruption, baby. I'd just be paying my taxes and working if I had my driver's license. But you don't want to own up to your own incompetence. See how incompetent you are? You can't fix the roads. Even though you're given trillions of dollars, you can't fix the fucking roads. Well, what the fuck? There ain't no more money coming to you, bitch. Bitch, give us our money back. Yeah. Empty your bank accounts and give us our money. You take bonuses when you do good, right? You think people should get bonuses when they do good? Well, you ain't done good. Michigan government ain't done good in 25, 30 years. So you all should take pay cuts. 15% pay cuts across the board. Snyder top, he gets 25% pay cut. Yeah. and pay them kids back the money you stole. And pay them elderly people back the money you stole, and stop stealing, because that's causing more problems for you. $900,000 per penny on your administration, or whatever you want to call this thing that you got going. Yeah, because when you take money from God's end-time elect that he gave them, he manipulated things to bring them blessings to them, and you reach out as a sub-spirit controlled by sub-spirits that don't even exist and they don't know it, and you steal their money, and you think you got the authority and the power to do that just because you're government? Freak. You're running up a debt, baby. You owe. Yeah, the molecules of your hands, those are molecules that were given to you, leased to you to scan your spirit. They belong to God. Yeah, and you want to rape God's people? Yeah, well, those molecules are rogue molecules now, ain't they? Well, they're on a rogue molecule repossession list. Billionaire, I don't care what you think you are. You in power? Yeah, you finding out that your panic rooms ain't safe no more. It ain't safe for you to ride a treadmill. It ain't safe for you to eat steak. Yeah, it ain't safe for you to take a picture of your daughter. It's just getting downright unsafe for you, like it is for God's end time elect. Right? Under your tutelage, under your leadership. You're about done, ain't you? God's got some stuff coming for you this year. You don't want to straighten up? You're going to be culled from the herd, baby. Yeah, we'll be eating your steaks. Yeah, they'll have to watch us eat. We won't really rape them like you rape us, but we will make them watch us eat your food. Yeah, here you go, kid. You can have this piece of toast. I don't want it. We know your daddy ran you up a debt because your daddy was an inferior little subhuman. He thought he was in power. Oh, yeah, him. Power. Oh, he in power. He in power to get himself eternally executed after he's time looped as everything he negatively affected and his slaves to pay back the mechanism at $900,000 per pillaged penny. Yeah. You pillagers, you little rapists. Time for you to get raped now, ain't it? Yeah, I love returning this rape. I love reciprocating. I love magnifying your negative energy and boomeranging it back on you. I love that shit. Yeah, you think you're getting away with something? Well, Snyder's stolen surplus is gone now, ain't it? And $300 million additional dollars just disappeared. Yeah, watch for that shit to start happening to your paychecks. Watch for it to start happening. Watch for your money. When you put money into something, watch for it to just go into a pit. Watch for there to be holes in your money bags. Yeah, watch for it. Yeah, it's time for God to reciprocate. So now something that would have costed you $5 is going to cost you $50,000. Okay? Tabulate that in your head, government. You better quit if you're in American government. If you're in, American government, you're already fucked. But if you're in Michigan government and you're participating in this bullshit, you won't fix the roads, you won't take the money that you're stealing from people, extorting to fix the roads, you need to quit before it can attach to you anymore. You need to go get a real job and apologize to God. I'm sorry that I participated with Snyder the terrorist and stealing money from your entire elect that you worked hard to get to them. I'm sorry I stole your money, God. You better apologize to God for stealing his money out of the hands of his people. You better learn some respect for whose turf you're on, because you ain't on your turf. This hand, this state is shaped like a hand. That's how big one of his hands was. The left hand, when he was holding it. Yeah, and he decided to spit, and there's you some lakes, the Great Lakes, the spit of God. Yeah. Now you are in a state that represents the size of God's hand. Now you want to play? You sure you want to play with some hands that big? You owe God. You don't pay your tithes. You owe God's people because you make them unable to pay their tithes. You owe, and you're gonna pay. You can start paying it back now, or you can pay later. But you don't graduate from the spirit scan owing, bitch. Yeah, the wealth of the wicked, what you laid up in escrow when you came into this simulation pretending to be a human equal to me, but you ain't equal to me if you need other people's stuff. If you can't sweat with the sweat of your brow and earn your own money, you ain't equal to me. Okay? I was working at 14 years old. Yeah, and now you treat me like a criminal because I'm on SSI, but you won't give me my license back so I can get off SSI. Ooh, great little conundrum we got going here, huh? I'm stuck on SSI, sucking your tit. You won't fucking let me off just by doing what you should do if you weren't incompetent. If Ojabino wasn't incompetent, that white devil-codded, fat, nasty, screeching bitch would have saw that, hey, I don't care what this white devil whore at Catholic Services said in her attempt to rape him further. This scientific factual evidence from a hospital is scientific fact that cannot be refuted. He has a clean urine. He gets his license back. regardless of his religious beliefs that he should be allowed to use medical marijuana, regardless of the fact that he has a marijuana card. You see, white devil bitch, you're an illegal monster. You're a rapist. Ojabina, a Secretary of State, is an incompetent, bumbling, bully-ass, drunken rapist who's raping me right now.